Hey guys, my name is Emily. I'm a student of the Forex Beginners Academy. I just want to say first thank you, a big thank you to Saad Ali. Actually, he did a great job and giving us all those lessons, all that knowledge for free. And it's really for free, guys. If you stumble upon this review, it's not a scam, it's nothing. It's just free. And you just you take your time, you sit and you listen, you study, you practice. And it helped me a lot because when I started this journey, I'm a new beginner. I had I didn't know anything about the Forex. I had no knowledge of it. But now I feel I'm starting to feel comfortable in it. And I've learned so many things, fib retracement, chart analysis, and you can name it. And I know that when I will put all those things together, what I've learned, I will not regret it and I will have a good result. Thank you again, Saad Ali, and for your effort, because I can see and we all can see that you're putting in a lot of efforts. You're doing it out of love with a great passion, and it speaks to our hearts and it helps us to persevere and to continue till the end. Thank you very much, and may God continue to bless you, and thank you for everything.